I finally figured out what's going on here. On the Pendleton jacket, there is one pleat at the shoulder that is supposed to be stitched down. It's about an 8-inch long pleat. And I couldn't figure out what they were referring to. I had marked my pattern to have 2 pleats, and when I pinned them in, it had this like Michael Jackson kind of vibe, and I was really worried. So anyway, it's supposed to be 1 pleat. If you look back at the pattern markings, this is the way that it's marked, and it's a little bit difficult to see, but it's supposed to be 1 pleat, not 2. The way it's marked, I would assume it's 2 pleats because this arrow goes to that line and this line goes to that line. To me, that's 2 pleats, but it's 1 pleat. And you can see here, the grading lines are even more confusing because it looks like you're going to stop in more than one place, and you really don't. So anyhow, that's how it's supposed to look, and you can confirm that by sort of looking at the pattern. You can see the slight pleat in the drawing. It's very hard to see. Even on this one, it's hard to see, but there is a line going from the shoulder seam down towards the bust, which makes sense. It takes the place of a bust dart. So that's how it's supposed to work. And I still don't love my shoulder line, but at least I got the pleat right. So one thing at a time, right? More to come.